Today, we're exploring 5 incredible cameras that are redefining vlogging, travel, and cinematic filmmaking. From compact beginner-friendly gear to high-end cinema cameras, each one offers something unique for creators at every level. Here's what we're diving into. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark IV, the rumored DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the Sony a6900 APS-C Mirrorless, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, and finally, the Sony FX3. And we'll start right at the beginning with a camera that's perfect for anyone stepping into the world of content creation. Let's start with the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark IV, a camera that has quickly become a favorite among beginner vloggers, travel enthusiasts, and casual creators who demand high performance without the hassle of a bulky setup. The G7X Mark IV is not just a compact camera, it's a powerhouse that fits right in your pocket, making it perfect for capturing life on the go. From the streets of your city to exotic travel destinations, this camera is designed to keep up with your creativity wherever it takes you. At the heart of this camera lies a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, which is capable of producing stunningly sharp and vibrant images. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or close-up details, every frame is rich in color and detail. Coupled with Canon's Digigate processor, the camera offers incredibly fast autofocus, so you never miss a crucial moment. And when it comes to video, the G7X Mark IV doesn't disappoint. It can record 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering smooth, high-resolution footage that's perfect for YouTube, vlogs, or social media content. One of the most remarkable features of this camera is its flip-up touchscreen. This makes composing selfies or vlogging shots effortless. You can frame your shots perfectly, adjust exposure, and even interact with the menu without ever taking your eye off the scene. Vertical video support is another game changer for creators, especially for Instagram Reels or TikTok videos. The camera ensures that your content looks professional regardless of the format. Portability is another major strength. The G7X Mark IV is compact enough to carry in your pocket or a small bag, making it an ideal companion for travel or everyday shooting. Despite its small size, it feels premium in the hands. The magnesium alloy body adds durability while keeping the weight down, giving you confidence in handling it anywhere. Creative controls are intuitive and easy to use, with customizable buttons and dials that allow you to adjust settings on the fly without fumbling through menus. Connectivity is also modern and convenient. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you transfer images and videos directly to your smartphone, so sharing content on social media is fast and seamless. Canon's mobile app even allows remote shooting, which means you can capture group shots or tricky angles without needing someone behind the camera. At the forefront of compact cameras this year is the rumored Canon PowerShot G7X Mark IV, a camera that the creative community has been eagerly waiting for. Expected to launch later in 2026, although Canon has not officially announced it yet, widespread speculation and insider whispers suggest this could be one of the most exciting compact vlogging cameras when it arrives. In short, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark IV is more than just a camera. It's a complete, creative tool that empowers you to capture moments exactly the way you envision them. Whether it's daily vlogs, travel diaries, or social media content, this camera ensures that every shot is sharp, vibrant, and visually compelling. It's compact, stylish, beginner-friendly, and surprisingly powerful, making it the ideal first choice for anyone serious about creating content while keeping things simple and fun. Enter the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the next evolution in pocket-sized cameras that promises to put professional-level video capabilities into the ever-shrinking world of handheld gear. Fans have been waiting years for a true successor to the Osmo Pocket 3, and as we head into 2026, leaks and insider chatter suggest DJI is about to deliver something special. Right now, DJI hasn't officially announced the Pocket 4, but multiple sources indicate that the company is nearing a global reveal and likely release window in early 2026, possibly around February or March. This aligns with recent retail box leaks showing inventory and packaging ready to ship, suggesting the wait is almost over. Industry insiders previously expected a late 2025 launch, but quality control issues with accessories like mounts and microphones appear to have pushed the timeline into the new year. The defining appeal of the Osmo Pocket series has always been its ability to combine a super compact gimbal with intelligent shooting features, and the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to refine that concept even further. Early leaks show a design that stays true to the Pocket philosophy: sleek, incredibly portable, and engineered for creators who don't want to sacrifice quality for convenience. Rumors also suggest DJI may introduce a dual camera system or advanced sensor layout, offering creators more flexibility, potentially even better performance for vertical content and cinematic framing without digital cropping. At the heart of the Pocket 4 is expected to be a 1-inch class sensor, which is a major step up for pocket cameras. Some reports peg this sensor at around 50 megapixels, giving creators a huge amount of resolution to work with for both video and stills. This increased sensor size would significantly boost low-light performance, reduce noise, and deliver cleaner footage with richer detail, something vloggers and travel content creators will absolutely appreciate. When it comes to video, the Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to support 6K recording, with smooth 4000 up to 120 frames per second, allowing you to shoot slow motion with stunning clarity. Reports also hint at advanced color profiles like 10-bit D, Log M and HDR modes, features that normally belong to much larger cinema-style cameras. Coming to this pocket-sized beast, these upgrades could make your footage pop straight out of the camera, especially when paired with professional color grading workflows. For creators who want to post cinematic shots without heavy editing, this is a big deal. DJI has always been a leader in gimbal stabilization, and the Pocket 4 isn't expected to slow down in that area. Rumors point to an upgraded version of ActivaTrack, possibly ActivaTrack 7.0, for smarter subject tracking and smoother footage when you're moving or filming in dynamic environments. This means you could walk, run, or even ride and still end up with silky stable clips that feel like they came from larger, more expensive gear. The leaked rumors also suggest a brighter, possibly larger touchscreen, making it easier to see what you're filming, outdoors or under harsh light. Combined with improved physical buttons and customizable controls, the Osmo Pocket 4 might feel more intuitive to use than ever. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but industry whispers put the base model somewhere around $599–$749, with a creator combo including accessories like wireless mix, handles, and protective gear, potentially closer to $799. That's a modest bump compared to the previous generation, but many see it as justified if the sensor, video performance, and stabilization live up to the leaks. If these rumors prove accurate, the Osmo Pocket 4 could be the most capable pocket-sized creator camera we've ever seen, blending professional-grade quality with unmatched portability. For travel vloggers, daily content creators, or anyone who wants cinematic motion without heavy equipment, this camera might just be the sweet spot between smartphones and full-blown mirrorless gear. Now that we've explored the pocketable power of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, it's time to move into a camera that takes things to a whole new level. A camera designed for creators who demand both stunning photo quality and impressive video performance, all wrapped in a sophisticated mirrorless body. The Sony a6900, a rumored flagship APS-C mirrorless camera that's generating serious buzz in the photo and video community. As we step further into 2026, leaks and industry whispers point to Sony finally releasing a true top-tier APS-C model that could redefine what this format is capable of. This isn't just a spec bump, it's shaping up to be a major leap forward for mid-range creators who want pro-level performance without going full frame. While Sony hasn't officially announced the a6900 yet, the camera is widely expected to arrive sometime in 2026, continuing the company's trend of refreshing its APS-C lineup to compete with Canon and Nikon's offerings this year. Rumored industry calendars show the A 6900 is one of Sony's most anticipated mirrorless cameras for the year, positioned above the popular A670 and tailored for creators who want more detail, more speed, and more versatility from their APS-C setup. At the heart of the A6900, rumors point to a 40.2 megapixel APS-C X-Mirror sensor, a significant jump in resolution compared to its predecessors. This larger sensor promises incredibly detailed stills with beautiful dynamic range, letting photographers crop frames without losing sharpness and giving videographers clean footage with plenty of room to edit. The high resolution also means richer textures and finer details in every shot. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or creative projects, powering this sensor is expected to be Sony's latest Bions XR image processor combined with an advanced AI chip, a setup that drives faster image processing, improved autofocus accuracy, and smarter subject detection. Imagine a camera that locks onto people, animals, birds, vehicles, and even fast-moving subjects in real time, tracking them with precision from frame to frame. This kind of intelligent AF is a huge advantage when shooting wildlife, sports, or unpredictable action. Speaking of autofocus, rumors suggest up to 759 phase detection AF points, which would blanket the frame with ultra-responsive focusing performance. This helps keep subjects tack sharp, even when they're moving erratically or quickly through the scene. And paired with expected 5-axis in-body image stabilization of around 8 stops, the A6900 could deliver incredibly smooth handheld footage and crisp stills, especially in low-light or dynamic shooting situations where stability matters most. For videographers, this camera is shaping up to be a dream. Rumored video specs include 8,000 recording at 30 frames per second, as well as 4,000 up to 60p and even enhanced 4K 120p, using crop modes, giving creators the flexibility to shoot cinematic, high-resolution footage. Expect Sony's iconic attention to detail in the body design too, with a high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder offering crisp, clear previews of your shot, and a comfortable grip that feels equally at home on long photo walks or extended video shoots. Dual memory card slots are also rumored, making this camera more robust for professional workflows and long recording sessions. What makes the A6900 even more appealing is its versatility. A wide ISO range gives you clean images in dim environments, and with features like pixel shift, multi-shooting, and fast continuous burst shooting, you can capture decisive moments with confidence. Combined with Sony's vast ecosystem, OFE mount lenses from wide primes to versatile zooms, this camera could truly be a creative powerhouse for aspiring filmmakers, photographers, and hybrid creators alike. Sony's APS-C lineup has long been respected for its speed and autofocus performance, but this rumored A690 feels like the first time the segment is being pushed toward real professional-grade imaging, especially in video. For creators who want more resolution than a smartphone can deliver, more speed than basic mirrorless models, and more creative control without the weight and cost of full-frame gear, this could be the perfect middle ground. Now let's move to a more powerful and cinematic camera, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. This camera is expected to be Canon's next big APS-C upgrade for content creators, wildlife photographers, and vloggers who want professional features without switching to full-frame. The R7 Mark II is rumored to feature a new 32.5 MP APS-C sensor with improved dynamic range and low-light performance. It may also support 6K video recording and 4K at 120 frames per second, making it ideal for slow-motion cinematic shots. For autofocus, Canon is expected to include its dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which means faster eye tracking, animal tracking, and smoother subject detection for both photos and videos. The camera may also come with in-body image stabilization IBIS up to 8 stops, so handheld footage will look smooth even without a gimbal. For vloggers, it's rumored to feature a fully articulating touchscreen, a high-resolution EVF, and improved heat management for longer recording sessions. Expected launch. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to launch in late 2026. possibly around September or October. Expected price. The expected body-only price could be around $1,599 to $1,799 USD. This camera is perfect for creators who want speed, cinematic video, and professional reliability in one compact mirrorless body. Now we reach the final and most exciting camera on this list, the Sony FX3 II. This is expected to be Sony's next-generation cinema camera for filmmakers, YouTubers, and professional video creators. The FX3 II is rumored to feature a new full-frame backside, illuminated sensor with higher dynamic range and cleaner, low-light performance. It may support 8K video recording and 4,000 up to 120 frames per second, making it perfect for cinematic slow motion and high-quality production. Sony is expected to include Cinetone color science, advanced AI autofocus, and improved active stabilization for handheld shooting. It may also feature dual Express Type A card slots, a built-in cooling fan, and professional XLR audio support for filmmakers. Expected launch. The Sony FX3 II is rumored to launch in mid to late 2026, possibly around July or August. Expected price. The expected price could be around $4,199 to $4,499 USD. This camera is the ultimate finale, cinematic, professional, and built to create stunning content.